Alright guys, welcome to 2026. I don't know if this is going to be the first video of the year or the second or third video of the year. This is my tool tote from work from the last time that I worked, which was like a few weeks ago, maybe 2-3 weeks ago. Everything's just thrown in here right now because I had to pack it up and head out the door when I left, but I want to show you guys everything that was in here. So it's just gonna be a really messed up and long video. So let's just go right through it. If you guys are interested, stay as long as you want, leave whenever you want. But thanks for tuning in. Let's jump into it. So starting out, I have this clip. So when I carry it, I can carry it without having to grab the handles or anything like that. Just easy. I can hook it onto something and hang it if I want to. But I also have some other hanging clips inside, which I'll show you when I get there. So let's just dig everything out real quick, and then we'll go from there. So starting out, we have some dirty earmuffs, and these go on to the side of your hard hat. These just clip in right here, and then you have some, you just have some earmuffs whenever you need them. They are pretty heavy, but they are very, very nice. Then I just have some white tape and Sharpie, and then a wet erase for marking pipe. My old trusty hammer was like 10 years old now. This thing's a beast. All the paint is gone. That's very sentimental to me. Got some gloves. Got my personal Milwaukee charger. So if I need to power up anything, I have a USB port right there. So I can charge my phone or charge my headphones. Have my AirPods in here, you'll see. If I get bored, I listen to some music. So here's my USB-C, my was that the Lightning? I don't even know anymore. So I got the AirPods down here, very dirty and metal shavings everywhere. We'll go through that later. I have a Klein tape measure right here, 25 foot. And then my 5 foot, I just brought this one to replace. I don't know. I have two tape measures in here for some reason, but I have the UK one, which is my new favorite. Lightweight, and it has inches and what is that? I don't even know what they're called. Millimeters, centimeters, all that good stuff. Imperial and metric, and then you just have your standard 25 foot right there. So this is equivalent to like a 16 foot, 15 to 16 foot. And these are the hooks that actually hook into the bag. There's holes right here. You probably can't see that, but there's these holes right here on the back, and then you can hook this onto the side of a lift or a cart or something like that if you want to. And then I always carry these on I always hook these on the handles, but I never really use these. But these are like bit tips if you want to carry your bit tips around or whatever. For easy access. And then there's also a stud bowl on here, which is very useful. Right there, I got my stud ball. And then I have an old lock from OEG, I believe. And then I don't even know why these are in here, but I have these, a bottle opener, plug tester, GFI plug tester, some earplugs down here. At the very bottom, we have a mask, my old hasp from OEG, which is handy, a baby lock from OEG, and pretty much just a few bit tips right here, and a socket adapter for a drill. Now let's get into the good stuff. So we got my 7-in-1 with the 9-in-1 tip right here. And then I have the 7-in-1 bit down here. This is the actual 7-in-1, and then I have the 9-in-1 on it. And then I have an old beater screwdriver for sheetrock. My handy dandy Fujiya 9-inch angled head, diagonal cutters. Join our tools linemen's. Klein tools glow in the dark needle nose. I don't even know what this is. 3/16 tip. at least 6-inch shaft, slotted. Have my owl punch, however you pronounce that. I got my punch in here. I don't know if this is getting moldy or what that is. Sometimes moisture gets in here and then it just dries out. I have my limited edition USA Klein, I don't even remember what these are called, flush cutters. My first Weehaw right here, my 1000 volt insulated slotted screwdriver, at least a 6-inch shaft. A couple Jonard Tools insulated screwdrivers, probably a 3/16 and a number 2. And then I switch between those and then my other one, which I think I accidentally put it in my other tool bag, but I have my Klein Tools flip socket insulated with the slotted and the Phillips. Pretty sure I was using that at my friend's house and I got put in my other bag. I got the Security Dottie or Security Mega Pro tamper-proof set. My 6-in-1, I actually might have replaced it with this, but I have my 6-in-1 insulated Klein screwdriver, and then my insulated kind of like a flip socket tweaker screwdriver, which is very nice. Greenlee torpedo level, and then the auto adjustable Klein Tools wire stripper. This is the best thing ever for low voltage dimming wire. You're gonna want one of these to save your life. I can't even think. Utility knife, safety utility knife. Oh, there's my screwdriver, my flip socket, slotted, and number 2. Have my laser tape measure right here, very nice. And then I don't even know what's in here. I do have a lighter in here. I don't know why. I have this. I never really use this, especially if you're using the Wagos these days. The lever Wagos are so nice. I love those. I don't even know why. Somehow a blade got put in here for a Sawzall. I have a lighter in here. I can't get it out. I don't know why it's in there, but you never know when you need to burn a rope or something. And then this, I really can't think right now. Your voltage tester or stupid stick. Then your adjustable stubby or ratcheting stubby. Wire strippers, USA limited edition Klein. Then the, what is this, 5 Allen set right here. Jonard Tools mini diagonal cutters, 1000 volt insulated. 1-inch Milwaukee micro pipe cutter. And then I have the ratcheting for tight spaces, Klein Tools. These are extra bits, but it comes with these right here. Ratcheting, basically ratcheting screwdriver. And then my, I don't know the technical name for these. These are like a adjustable wrench kind of. Steven got me those for Christmas. Then my 2, what are these, 9 or 10-inch Cobra, I forget what the grips are called, comfort grips. And then we got the file, and then a pipe reamer for bigger than 1-inch pipe. And then back here we have my old school 11-in-1 with the, I switched out the tips for the Allens. So I have some Allens in here. So I don't even have like a, this doesn't have really a slotted or a Phillips number 2 or Phillips 1 or 3. I think it's 1 and 2 and slotted. I don't have those because I switched them out for the Allens. My beater screwdriver with the demolition head. My sheathed ghetto jab saw with a nice sheath. I think I might have just said that, but Terry made that for me at the airport for my birthday. She made me the sheath. Then flipping over to the other side, we got my speed square, which I used to call a triangle. I have a couple bits in here. And then lastly, I have my Klein Tools angle finder, or digital level. And then last but not least, oh, I have a few extra things. And then I have this like bit right here, which is good for set screws. Right there, I haven't used that. And then the last two things are a baby triangular file, which I never really use, but, and then lastly, the laser pointer, Klein Tools. I cannot think. The voltage tester with the laser. I just use this for the laser, but I think I need to change the batteries. But that is everything inside of my tool tote that I had at work. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to try to get some other videos out. I'm going to get the video out for, if I haven't already, for the 2025 New Year's goals and how I did on those, and then my 2026 goals for 2026 and what I want to accomplish in 2026. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it.